Welcome back to Elite Planify. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Before you start using this template, we recommend going through the instruction page included in the template. It contains everything you need to know to get started and make the most of all the features. On the instruction page, you'll also find a link to our website where you can browse more productivity templates and digital planners. You can also explore the sample page to see an example of how the template can be set up and used as a reference while creating your own planner. If you have any questions or need assistance while using the template, feel free to contact us via email. We'll be happy to help, and we'll do our best to respond as quickly as possible. Let's start with the Categories tab. Begin by selecting your starting month and year, then choose your preferred currency. These settings will be used throughout the template, and all dashboards and reports will automatically update based on your selections. Next, customize the category lists for each section, including income, bills, expenses, savings, investments, and debt payoff. Simply replace the default categories with your own or add new ones that match your financial needs. These categories will be available throughout the template when logging your transactions, helping you keep your records organized and ensuring all reports and summaries are categorized correctly. Next, switch to the Income Tracker tab. Here, log all of your income transactions by entering the date, selecting the appropriate category, entering the amount, and adding an optional description for reference. Every income entry you record here will automatically be included in the dashboards and reports throughout the template, helping you monitor your earnings and overall financial progress. Next, switch to the Transactions Tracker tab. This is where you'll record all of your non-income transactions, including expenses, savings, investments, and debt payoff. Simply enter the date, select the transaction type, choose the appropriate category, enter the amount, and add an optional description. All transactions entered here will automatically update the dashboards and reports, giving you an accurate overview of your spending, savings, investments, and debt progress. Next, we have the Expense Tracker tab. It works similarly to the Transactions Tracker, but this page is dedicated only to expense entries. Simply enter the date, select expenses as the transaction type, choose the appropriate expense category, enter the amount, and add an optional description. You can also use the available filters to quickly sort and view expenses by category, date, or any other property, making it easier to analyze your spending and find specific transactions. Next, switch to the Monthly Budget dashboard. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of your budget for the selected month. At the top, you'll see a summary comparing your budget, actual and variance for income, bills and expenses, savings, investments, and debt paid. Below, each category has its own detailed table, showing your budgeted amount alongside the actual amount recorded from your transactions, making it easy to see whether you're over or under budget. The budget values displayed on this page are pulled automatically from the Annual Budget tab, which we'll cover later in the video. As you continue logging your income and transactions, all of the actual values and variances will update automatically. Next, switch to the Monthly Overview tab. Select the month you want to review, and the page will automatically display your actual income, bills, expenses, savings, investments, and debt payoff for that month. This page provides a clean summary of your monthly financial activity with detailed category-wise totals. All values update automatically based on the entries you've logged in the Income Tracker and Transactions Tracker. Next, we have Annual Budget tab. This is where you plan your budget for the entire year. enter your expected amounts for each month under income, bills, expenses, savings, investments, and debt payoff. At the top, the zero-based budget automatically shows whether all your planned income has been allocated. Ideally, it should be $0, meaning every dollar has been assigned a purpose. The budgets you set here will automatically flow into the monthly budget dashboard, where you can compare your planned budget against your actual spending and income for each month. Now switch to the Annual Overview tab. Here you'll find a complete summary of your finances for the selected 12-month period. At the top, you can quickly see your total income, bills and expenses, savings, investments, and debt paid, along with your top 4 income sources. Below, you'll find detailed month-by-month breakdowns for each category: income, bills, expenses, savings, investments, and debt payoff. You can also use the navigation buttons at the top to quickly jump to any section of the annual overview, making it easy to access the information you need without scrolling through the entire page. As you continue logging transactions throughout the year, all these tables update automatically, giving you a clear overview of your financial activity and spending patterns. Finally, switch to the Annual Dashboard tab. At the top, you'll find quick summary cards showing your total income, total bills and expenses, and amount left to spend. Below, you can view a variety of charts and visual insights, including income versus expenses, a monthly overview showing your income, expenses, and savings for each month, peak earning months, top spending months, and your top performing income sources. These visuals update automatically as you enter your data, making it easy to monitor your financial performance and identify spending and earning trends throughout the year. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Elite Planify, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.